Standard 3rd, Subject English, Chapter number 2, Go and Come. Students, in last week we have completed 2 paragraphs. Today we will see 3rd paragraph. Let's enjoy it. Now, 3rd paragraph. Start from just then his mother walked in till working and chatting and laughing. That means end of this chapter. So students, firstly we will see this paragraph. Just then his mother walked in. What's the matter, little boy? She asked. Why do you look so unhappy? Uncle told me to weed the garden, said the boy. Now open your page number 3. Oh, said his mother. What fun that will be. I love to weed, and it is such a fine day. Can I come and help you to weeding? Why, yes, said the boy. Come, let's do it now, said his mother. The boy got up readily and went outside with his mother, the two of them weeding the garden beautifully and had a very good time together, walking and chatting and laughing. Now, the question answer for paragraph number 3. Question number first. What the answers? Write the answer to the following question. First question. Did the boy's mother want him to work? Answer is yes, the boy's mother wanted him to work. Question number 2. Why was the little boy unhappy? Answer is the little boy was unhappy because his uncle had told him to weed the garden. Question number 3. Did the boy want to weed the garden in the beginning? No, the boy did not want to weed the garden in the beginning. Question number 4. Did the boy enjoy weeding the garden in the end? Answer is yes, the boy enjoyed weeding the garden in the ending. Find the word that the line tells us that the boy and his mother work happily and well. Answer is the two of them weeding the garden beautifully and had very good time together, working and laughing, chatting. This line tells us that they was very happy and well at that time. Question number 3. Write any two required order. First using go and then come, let's. Which one do you like? First one, go and clean your room. Second one, come, let's clean up the room. Third, go and fold all the clothes. Fourth, come, let's fold all the clothes. I like the one starting with come. Students, here go is an order, but let's come means let's do it with together. That means this is a pretty word, beautiful word, come, but order is go. So I like the word come.